What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Vintage back on a video, man. Today we're going to be doing a review over these Air Jordan 8 Quai 54s, man. These released exclusively over here in Germany, and I want to give you guys some looks on these. I haven't seen reviews on these on YouTube, so I'm going to give them to y'all. Before we get into this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell for your boy. Follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. Link will be in the description box below. And yeah, we're going to get right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, let's talk about this box real quick. Take the shoes off, man. The box is dope. Like, the presentation of this sneaker I like, but overall I'm gonna tell y'all, like, right off rip, I ain't really feeling the sneaker. I just copped it just to show y'all how these look, and they only came out overseas, so I was like, why not give y'all a review? But yeah, the presentation is dope. I don't like the shoe that much, and I will be taking these back.
Something about that.
So yeah, check it out. You got the Quai 54 right here. You got the 15th anniversary. You know, they dropped like the 7s, the 6s. They dropped a whole bunch of Quai 54s, collaborations. Yeah, check out the box, man. All these little symbols and signs. Got a size 9 Air Jordan 8 Retro Q54. Pitch colorway is black, white, multi-color. Check it out right there. Check out the box. And inside, you have like this black tissue paper. And on the lid right here, you got like the 4 different colors, man. So, like I said, the presentation is nice. All right, I'm gonna give you guys some close-up visuals of the sneaker. So I'm gonna turn around the camera, or I'm gonna go behind the camera. I'm gonna show y'all all the details up close. So I'm gonna switch the lens out, and I'm gonna make y'all see them. So stay tuned. So check it out, man. You have this like translucent patch right here. I don't know what that was. I don't know. This nice design. Like I said, everything about the shoe is nice, but I just don't like. I really don't like 8s like that. I don't have a lot of 8s in my collection in general, but we're gonna talk about a couple things. So you got this little translucent patch on the midsole right here. Also on the midsole, you can see you have this like little sparkly effect all throughout the midsole. Make sure you can check that out. So all right here, as you can see on the back, and also you got some white on the midsole towards the bottom of it. Check it out, all around the sneaker. And on the outsole, you have the same little symbol signs, the little Q54 theme they had for the 15th anniversary. And on the bottom, you have this icy translucent outsole, man. You already know I love the outsoles. That's icy blue, man. You throw it on any sneaker, I feel like I'm gonna like it a lot more just because it got the icy outsole. Got the black Jumpman right there. His leg looked a little crazy right there. They look like some Flugazis, I ain't even gonna lie. But you have the little Jumpman right here on the heel. You have and on the heel, check it out, got this little patch of rubber. But yeah, nice outsole. I love the symbols. I love the colors on this right here. Up here, you have like some tumble leather. Also, you have like some suede on top, like some new, I don't know what kind of material this is, but you can see the colors changing. It's leather, but then again, kind of feel like nubuck, and you only get that little change of color with the suede. So this is a crazy material on this sneaker. I don't even know what to call it, but I do know up here, this is like a true like tumble leather. Up here on the straps, got the 2-3 up here. Check it out. And on the tongue, you have the green, got the red, got the yellow, and the Jumpman in the middle, the white. A lot of colors on this one. You know, with the 8s, you always get like the different colored pods around the Jumpman on the tongue. And then with these shoes right here, you get an extra pair of white laces. So if your pair didn't come with extra white laces, they probably fake.
What?
Check them out. And also with the straps on the sneaker, you have these clear translucent little strap holders right here on the side. You got the Air Jordan, and also on the Air Jordan, you got like this little sparkly look to it as well. Hopefully I can get that to show on the camera. Yeah, there you go right there. You kind of see like the little sparkly effect on the Air Jordan. On the back, just like on the bottom of your outsoles, you have the same symbols all throughout the back. And right here, it's factory flaw. Check it out. You already know we get factory flaws on all our Jordans. And as you can see, you got like a little scratch right here. I just pulled these out the box, and it came just like this. Check out this side. You got another little patch of translucent on the midsole. And you can see the symbols through it as well. Right here, you got like the ballistic mesh on the sides and on the ankle support right here. I think you got it on this side too. Yep. On this side right here, you got the ballistic mesh right here. Yeah, it's pretty durable, man. I ain't gonna lie. Laces come with black, as you can see. And if I was you, I would keep the black laces in there. I don't even know what the white laces even look like with this all black shoe. I wouldn't do it, man. If I was you, I'd just keep it how it is, keep it plain, keep it basic. All right, grab another shoe. I just checked out the lace tips. You get the plain basic lace tips on the plastic on there. You don't even get a Jordan or a Jumpman on there. So yeah, no lace tips on these guys. Let me show y'all the insole real quick. Got the shoe tree right here, plain basic one. And check out the insole, man. So this theme right here, as you can see on the box back there and on the side of the shoe, you get it on the bottom of the shoe. You also get it on the inside of the shoe. Not that you can see it, but it's just dope that Jordan Brand actually gave us a little thought with the shoe and gave us more details on this one. You know, usually with the 8s, I feel like they all pretty basic, but this one right here, they threw this little insole in here. It's pretty dope. Check it out. All right, that's it for my review over the Q54 Air Jordan 8. As you can see, there was a European or UK exclusive over here. You didn't get them in the States. Maybe you get them later down the line, or probably in a different color, maybe like with a white predominant upper and like the black extra shoelaces. So you might get something different in the States, but here you have it, European exclusive. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, like the video, and the goal for every video is 100 likes. So right now, slap the like button. Follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will be in the description box below. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys next one, man. Peace.